where are we going right now?
Bro, we're going to get my GX.
Yeah, get your own GX.
I am, bro.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, man, I'm a little nervous. We're on our way to pick up my own GX470 right now. We're in Chris's GX470. He's got the rear seats deleted, Dometic back there. He's got a bed mod and stuff.
We got the cactus.
Have a cactus. Patches.
Dude, I'm stoked you're getting your own.
Oh.
Now I don't have to go on trips like in a single rig anymore.
That's definitely the cool part is now we can convoy it up a little bit. 2 GX470s
I mean, it's,
on a trip is gonna be super fun.
It's fun going solo sometimes, but it's so much better to, honestly, like to go with someone just for like the safety of it too. Like,
yeah,
it's gonna be so much fun having a buddy there with me. But
yeah, 2 very
just having
capable
2 rigs. Yeah, we could.
Yeah.
Well, we could just do more.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, more creek crossings and stuff. Not have to worry about getting stuck.
Yeah, cause so many times I'll be by myself and I'll go to do something and I'm like, I'll turn around at some point just because I'm the only person, just in case something happened. You've been talking about it pretty much ever since I got mine.
Literally. So first time I got in this thing, I was like, man, I want one of these.
2 years you've been looking for one.
Yeah, we finally found them.
I think this one's perfect.
Dude, me too. It's a pretty damn good deal.
Most of the things you want to do are already done.
Yeah, there's a lot done to it already. We'll get into some of that later. Yeah, I can't wait to show you guys.
Mystery car is going to be revealed soon.
Yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. Holy cow, mystery car. Chris was saying I'm already thinking of the first mods I want to do. And there's some cup holder stuff and some door handle stuff, but really the first mod I want to do is the drop down table. So I can set up my camp stove, set up all my food and stuff. Man, I can't wait. See you guys in a little bit. Can't even tell. Not worth all this direction.
I'm gonna get right behind him now. Dude, we're gonna get shot, dude. We're in the fucking city. You can't dick around.
What are you doing? Oh man, we are 10 minutes away. We're so close, bro.
The saga of James continues.
Bro.
Why don't you tell him how long you've been trying to
Dude, that's true. So, okay, so this truck was listed a couple months ago, back in December, actually. And I went to my bank and I was like, okay, I guess maybe I can do this. And I went to James. I got approved and everything for the loan and stuff. I said, all right, let's do it. Let's buy it. I'm going to take it, bro. We negotiated a little bit, whatever, back and forth. And then he's like, he decides he's going to keep it.
Psych, just kidding. Psych. I like this thing too much.
He likes it too much, which understandable. Wait till you guys see it. You know, obviously then it didn't work out. And I was keeping an eye out. I kept looking. I was scouring Facebook Marketplace, bro. I was definitely sad.
You kept sending it to me, like pictures of it.
I know, bro.
I was like, move on.
Shut up.
You lost her.
So I kept looking and I'm trying to find stuff all around the country. This came up and I was able to get an even better loan. And James, he relisted it. Well, before even that happened, he actually hit me up and I was like, he's like, I'm gonna resell it. You know,
it's crazy.
Do you want it? And I said, no, I don't think I can do it right now. It's not really in the stars, blah, blah, blah. I had just fixed up my daily, put a bunch of money into that. And then I got a good loan. I was able to get a great deal. And so, boom, got the check. I said, James, I want to buy it, bro. Give it to me. And so now he said, all right, let's do it. And now we're down here, bro.
If it's meant to be, and you love them, you let them go. If they come back, it's true love.
True.
She flew back to you.
She flew back to us. Well, here she is. You guys ready? Check it out. Oh, baby. She's sick. Very clean. You know, for a Midwest car. It's got, you know, it's got some nicks and stuff on it, bro, but like, what do you expect? It's a
she's
truck.
in great shape, man.
It's a 20-year-old truck. What?
She's in great shape. Check it out.
A couple spots here and there. No big deal. We can work with that. We can get most of this out. This is like the biggest thing right here. This was like the biggest blemish. Besides that, look at the interior. It's got a Toyota Highlander steering wheel. Seat's in great shape. Yeah, maybe not great, but it's in pretty good shape, honestly. All the soft touch stuff is off. It's all still pretty good. We can clean that up. Dash is definitely cracked. That was the other big cosmetic thing. The dash is definitely got some cracks. But James, the previous owner, did a pretty damn good job filling it in. Here's the passenger seat. We got the weather text in here. All this is very clean. This is insane. Like, look at the headliner. Headliner's clean. Back's a little dirty. Back could use some TLC. It's okay though. We'll get this cleaned up, and we'll get this redone. I think. I'm gonna figure out something cool to do with the headliner. Got the Bison gear rack back here. We're gonna definitely take these out. Anybody wants them, let me know. James hooked us up with a bunch of extra parts. We got some recovery points down here. Big beefy skid plate. But yeah, look at how clean this thing is. He took care of this. Immaculate service record. Look at that. Look at it. Actuators are nice. And we got onboard air. We just gotta get that hooked up right now. Or not right now, but eventually. It's mounted, but we just gotta get it hooked up. I gotta decide where I wanna put the button. So, yeah. Got a little bit of work ahead of us. Definitely gonna do some detailing. Gonna get the onboard air wired up.
I think we'll get started with the mark on the side. Probably get it out right now.
Yeah, well, yeah. Looks like Chris is a really good detailer, and we're gonna work on getting this pulled out. Let's see what he's got here.
I just hit it with the clay bar first, see if anything comes off. At least get the dirt and the grime off before I go compound over it. I bet most of this will come out.
I would be extremely happy if even some of it or half of it did.
Although we have no idea yet.
Yeah, we got no clue.
You really don't know until you try.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it came off, right?
Yeah.
So it'll probably come off with compound then.
Yeah. Nice. Here's hoping. Yeah, that's the biggest blemish.
Let's get this too. It's just a little, I don't know. Might as well, it's right here. Eventually we'll like compound and buff the whole car, but
nice.
Let's just hit some of these trouble spots first.
Sounds good to me. I think it's a great idea. Yeah, we'll wait till we'll have to wait till it's a little nicer out to do a detail on all our cars. Now we both have 300 horsepower sedans and trucks.
That's true.
Okay, so we figured it out. The buff pad was not working because it's kind of deep. Like the black is kind of deep into there. You can kind of see, you know, there's a dent there.
It actually like formed a line right here.
Yeah. Well, Chris hit it with this clay bar, and dude, look at it. It's coming right off right in front of our eyes right now. Oh my god. Yes. Nice work, dude.
Oh yeah, we got it.
Dude, it's like, it's gone. Bro, this guy's a wizard. All right, so we're back in Chris's garage. Say hi, Chris. We are doing the headlights on my GX470. Look at the puppy. They are definitely in need of a restoration. They're not too bad on the front here, but the top is pretty cloudy. You can see the other one. Like, yeah, see these? Look at these compared to Chris's out here. His are fucking crisp. So clean. So, hoping to achieve that, or something close to it at least. His are pretty brand new though, so. Alright, so we got one lens taped up. Just using regular old blue painter's tape.
Yeah, like not everybody does this. It's not necessary, but you don't want to screw up your paint if you don't have to. I think it's a good idea. Do it right.
Do it right. Might as well. Takes an extra 5 minutes. It's not a pain in the ass. Doesn't do anything. You know, the painter's tape is real delicate, so it won't do anything to your paint.
Yeah. So we're gonna start with 800 grit on the drill. We want to keep it wet. You're basically wet sanding. So we got a little soap and water.
Keeping it wet.
Now we're gonna scratch it. We're gonna make it way worse. That's the first step.
First step, yeah. You're basically taking off a layer, right?
Yep. If we ruin them, I'll just buy you new ones.
Fucking deal. As I push you over.
What I meant to say is you can buy new ones.
Oh shit. No, we got it on video.
Damn it.
Video evidence, bro. YouTube knows now. Alright, so down in the comments, everybody, I want you to let me know which headlight you think turned out better. Mine or Chris's. We'll do a side-by-side in a little bit.
This is mine right now. Steve's first headlight ever. I better win. He's learning fast though, ladies and gentlemen. He's got a technique already. I think he just kind of copied mine.
Hey, learn from the masters.
He's just exceeding me.
Let's see how bad I did. Let's see how many spots I missed.
I think you did pretty great, bro.
Yeah?
Looks good.
Gonna do a little bit better right here, maybe.
That was the same place where I didn't go that hard. I think I was nervous to hit the paint.
Yeah.
How about the bottom right?
Down here?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe like a little bit more right here, huh?
Not much.
I don't know. What do you think here?
And put this on so I can actually look at it.
Yeah. Oops.
Yeah. One through the tape right there.
We'll just put another layer on, no big deal.
It only took tape.
What's cool is the guy I bought the car from, James, he had a touch-up stick, paint stick already in the glove box, so. There's a lot of chips that need to be touched up and stuff on this thing.
Yeah, this car is not going to be like a restoration though. It's
Yeah.
pretty good the way it is. It's not
Yeah,
even
I'm not too worried about like
It's a refresh more than it is a restoration.
Yeah, for sure. We're taking this thing off-road and through the trees and through mud and rocks. And...
You want to make it nice though.
True.
Which
true.
it is nice.
It is very nice.
Make it even nicer.
Why not do both? You know, like one is not what's the word I'm looking for? One, you know, they're not.
They don't cancel each other out.
Yeah, they're not mutually exclusive. Thank you. Yeah, they're not mutually exclusive. I just needed the Jeopardy song. So yeah, so you can have a nice car and still take it off road. Like, yeah, of course you have to be aware that whatever time you spend doing and fixing up and improving your vehicle could be just for a few months or a few weeks until you scratch it up or do something, you know, in the woods. So you just have to be okay with that trade-off.
It's up to the user how much are you willing to do.
Right.
I mean, to me, it's worth it just to get out there. It's just a tool. I mean, hypothetically, this should be the final step. I think we throw some wax on it to help protect it, though.
Sounds good to me. Man, that's looking sheesh. The top's always going to be a little bit worse because that obviously hits the sun, gets the most, you know, direct sunlight.
How old is it? I mean,
And it's an 18-year-old truck,
I
bro.
think
Those are 18-year-old headlights.
It turned out pretty good, bro. It turned out pretty good.
Really good. All right, so then we got this one's. We'll finish and do polish on this one. And damn, yeah, that's looking nice. What do you think? Don't forget in the comments. You
That
gotta
one
tell
turned
us
out brand new.
which one turned out better.
We'll show them both.
All right, so here's mine.
Come on, get back.
Here's mine. Holy smokes!
It's the lighting, Steve. The lighting's in your favor. And also it looks better, that one.
Okay, and here's Chris's. Damn, still looks really good.
Especially on camera.
Yeah.
Which makes me think, when it's not under bright lights, you won't see a thing.
Yeah, I'm thinking so. I agree. So let's bring it out. Don't forget in the comments below, tell us which side you think is better, Steve's or Chris's.